Notice there's 4 bulbs. These 2 prongs are pretty close. Those are further apart. When I open up this little circle right there, it's gonna then give me access to the bulb. I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna unclip the bulb, and then I'm gonna see which of those 2 prongs it is. I think it's the larger, wider ones, but we'll see. Okay, yeah, so right there, the clip is gonna be on the base right here. Ah, there we go. It looks like that is the wider of the bulbs. And these I purchased, they were very expensive, but the ones I'm about to put in are way better. I'm just gonna take that clip it right back in. Clicks in. And then I'm gonna rotate it back into this little circle hole, and I'll just turn that back clockwise once it's in there. So maybe right about there, and just a 1/4 turn, and it's locked in. So that's in there. And then I'm gonna replace this little rubber dust protector. Goes right back on. Okay. So that's back on. Now let's turn it on and see if it worked. Now let's do the other one. Perfect. All right. Ta-da! That looks so good. Let me put the fog lights on for you. Wow. That looks so nice. All right, that was the install and the before footage. This is the after. It is so much brighter, so much safer. It is just incredibly better. Now this right here is the before footage where the headlights on top were the old ones, but the bottom fog lights were the new ones. And you can see the difference there. It's brighter, yes, but also it's crisp and it's white versus the yellow. You can just see so much better. All right, here it is. I'm just gonna flash the lights onto the bushes right in front of me. Is just crazy. It's very good. All right, I'm gonna unbox it just so you can see everything that comes in the package. Again, these are the Termitor by Fahren, and they are fantastic. These were sent to me for free by the manufacturer. They saw my other halogen light review, and I did like those at the time, but so they sent me these. These are so much better. Don't buy the halogens, get the LEDs. This is not even a question. This is so good. So these were sent to me for free. However, we have since bought them for my dad for his Honda CR-V, and then we're getting them for my son's Hyundai as well. So very good. Hope this unboxing helps you, but all in all, just could not be happier with these. Hope this helps.